In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot for daily tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Copilot. Tell it what you need, use the results right away, and refine the output until it fits your day perfectly. Let's start by opening Copilot. You can launch the Microsoft Copilot app if you have it installed, or open it directly in Microsoft Edge. Either way, you'll see a chat box ready for your request. If you're in Edge, look for the Copilot icon and open the sidebar. If you're using the app, just click to start a new chat. Keep in mind that Copilot works best when you're clear and specific about what you want. Now, enter a task in the chat box. Type naturally, as if you're talking to a helpful coworker. You could say, create a to-do list for today to get a quick, organized checklist. If you need help with communication, try write a professional email and include the purpose and tone you want. To organize your day, ask it to plan a daily schedule and add details like your working hours or key deadlines. The more context you give, the closer the result will be to what you need on the first try. Quick note before we go on. If you're using the app, you'll find a download link at the very top of the description. If you prefer the website experience in Edge, there's a link there too, right at the top of the description for easy access. Once Copilot responds, review the result. Read through carefully and make sure it matches your goals. If it's a to-do list, check that the priorities are right. If it's an email, verify the tone and any dates or attachments you plan to mention. When you're happy, copy the content and paste it into your email, notes, calendar, or wherever you need it. Small tweaks like adding names, adjusting times, or updating project specifics can make it instantly usable. If the first draft isn't perfect, improve the result with follow-up questions. Ask Copilot to refine the tone to be more concise or more friendly, to add time estimates to your schedule, or to turn a to-do list into a checklist grouped by priority. You can say things like, shorten this to 3 bullet points, or make this email more formal and add a clear subject line. Keep iterating until it feels just right. That's all you need to get everyday tasks done quickly and easily with Copilot. Thanks for watching.